What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you some examples for solving radical expressions. The first one is square root of 144 divided by 65. The answer is 144 is 12 squared. 65 is just 13 times 5, so I just keep it like that, 65. So then it will be, numerator is going to be square root of 12 squared, and the denominator is square root of 65. So that will be 12 divided by square root of 65. Next example, we have to find out simplified form of 20 divided by 81. Divided by 81. 20 basically is 4 times 5. 81 is 9 squared. So basically it's going to be 2 squared times 5 divided by 9 squared. It will be 2 root 5 divided by 9. So that's the final answer. We can also write it like this. Next example. Square root of 21 divided by 196. The answer is 21 is just 21. 3 times 7. We cannot find out perfect square, so I just write it like that. Divided by 196 is the same as 14 squared. So we have 21 divided by square root of 14 squared is just 14. So we can write it like that. Let's try one more example. Example here. Square root of 96 x to the power of 7 divided by 121. The answer is 96 is 32 times 3, or 16 times 6. 16 is 4 squared, so 4 squared times 6 times x to the power of 6 divided by 121 is 11 squared. So it will be square root of 4 squared times x to the power of 6 divided by 11 squared times square root of 6x. Then after simplification it will be 4x cubed divided by 11 times 6x. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.